Introducing the latest addition to our pressure washer line, the Hilltip TowJet-it. Features an 800-liter water tank and a 50-meter-long pressure hose. The total weight with water reaches 1,600 kilograms, which makes it suitable for almost any vehicle. Keeping your entire setup in one place, various job locations, and off-grid cleaning becomes effortless. The pressure washer is mobile, primed, and waiting for your next move. Powered by a Kubota diesel engine with the ability to run on renewable diesel fuel. It's available in two different pump performance packages, 250 and 350 bar. With the help of the boiler's heating power, the hot water removes dirt, bacteria, and weeds with ease. The powder-coated chassis, made out of stainless steel, offers protection against corrosion and rust. TowJet-it is highly customizable to meet your demands. With the optional surface cleaner, you will get a more evenly clean surface while minimizing splashing on walls or windows. When it comes to clogged sewer pipes, our sewer cleaning kit makes declogging effortless. The kit consists of a 30-meter-long hose and a special sewer jet nozzle. Options like chemical injector, anti-scale kit, in-cabin remote start and stop control, or 150-meter-long pressure hose reel can all be added to the unit. It can also be uniquely painted in your desired color. When cleaning pavements, roofs, machines, work sites, pre-treated graffiti, you name it, Hilltip's TowJet-it has got you covered.